Hello friends, you are once again very welcome to Amazing Gadget and the world of awesome invention Crazy Gadget. And the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If the channel has not yet subscribed, then subscribe now and set the notifications. So let's go first towards gadgets. Number 1. Ear bar. Friends, this is a kind of strip that can connect to your laptop and convert your laptop to a touch screen. How old the laptop is? Friends, this gadget is different because in order to use this gadget, you do not need any third-party softwares which you can use directly. If you too are bored with your laptop, then you can enjoy a new experience using this gadget. Number 2. Doodler. Friends, this is a kind of pen that is very different from a normal pen. If you are fond of designing or making art, then this gadget will be perfect for you because you can design 3D through this pen. Friends, the ink is used in this pen was made of materials that freeze immediately after coming into the air contact, with the help of which you will be able to convert any design into 3D. If you like designing or doing art, then this gadget will prove to be perfect for you, with the help of which you will be able to convert any art of any design into 3D. Number 3. QBO. Guys, this is a mini portable laser printer with the help of which you can print your favorite design on anything. Friends, it is so small that you can carry it anywhere and it prints absolutely accurate design on anything. You can use paper or wood or iron or steel. You will also be able to print according to your own. Friends, it is so small and portable that you can also carry it in your pocket. To use it, you just connect it to your phone and set any image, and this gadget will automatically work in a perfect way. Friends, you will also need a power bank to input it because electricity will have to be given through it. If you want to print your own design, then this gadget will be perfect for you. Number 4. Mini portable inverter. Friend, this is a mobile mini portable inverter, the capacity of which is 23,000 mAh. It supports such a quick charge that it only takes 2 hours to charge. Here you can operate any device through it, such as laptops, printers, tablets, lights and fans can also operate very easily. These gadgets are so portable that you can carry it anywhere. If you travel more, then these gadgets are perfect for you. Number 5. Cardo Smart Charger. Friends, we all use smartphones and we get such a traditional charger with smartphones traveling with whom is quite irritating because the cables they manage are not that good and all of them get messed you. If you too are bored using this traditional charger, then you can use the smart charger. Talking about its thickness, it comes in very thin size and you can also keep it in your purse. And speaking of its weight, it is only 20 grams. It also has a separate USB port for charging for all different phones. So friends, the link of all these gadgets is given in description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy from there. So please like the video as well as subscribe to the channel and set the notifications bell so that such fun gadgets can be seen by you first. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.